Hi everyone, Zed Are You Cars. Today we've got this 2015 Seat Alhambra. It's finished in indium grey. It's a 2 litre TDI DSG. It is the 177 bhp and it is the SE LUX. It's a top spec model. It's done 83,000 miles. Just one owner from new, 6 services including a cam belt last year. And it is lovely throughout. This one's got the bi-xenon lights. It's got a list of options. It's got the 18-inch Akira alloys. It's in wonderful condition throughout, very clean and tidy. No dings, no big scratches, anything like that to point out to you. It's got the privacy glass, the roof rails, the panoramic sunroof. Fixed swan neck tow bar, which doesn't look to have been used too much. Parking sensors all round with reverse cam. And just a very nice, well presented, looked after example. Inside it's got the black leather. We'll show you in the boot to begin with. It has got a power tailgate, as you can see there. Really nice big clean loading area. Obviously the 2 rear seats do flip up to make a 7-seater. They're currently down. I'm not going to attempt to do that one-handed. I think it's all working well. It's also got power sliding doors, which if I can find the key, you can do off the key, which is pretty cool. Do the other one as well. Look at that. This one does have the child seats in the back. Now these headrests here come out and the normal headrests are in the boot if you don't want to use the child's booster seats. But they do click up like so. For the smaller adults, it's got rear climate control. You've got your rear tables as well. They're all very clean and tidy. The doors do close off the remote as well, as you see there. And whether or not you can see it, you can't see through the window, but it does have rear blinds as well. In the front, it's got electric front seat, 3-spoke steering wheel, your folding mirrors, electric windows all round, auto lights and wipers. All super condition. $83,065 on the miles, and I will just start it so you can see the no warnings. Oil change in 17 days. Well, that's okay because it's already booked in with us. That'll be done next week. That's week commencing the 4th of March. If you're inquiring after the 4th of March, it will be serviced. So yeah, as you see, there are no warnings. Bit of fuel in there. Got your cruise control down there, your paddle shift, multifunction for your stereo. That was a combination of steering wheel and stereo for your stereo. In the centre, we've got DAB radio. We also have
the Sophie now sitting on the palm.
Some form of audio book in there, but it also has Bluetooth audio, media device interface, auxiliary, and then your SD cards and your CD. You've got your telephone for your Bluetooth, your navigation with your maps, and reverse cam, as you can see there. A little further down, we've got the climate control panel, which will allow you to control the rear and the front, or you can sync it all together. You've got your heated seats as well. And just below, you've got your power doors, tyre pressure monitoring, parking sensor, start, stop, and power tailgate. Gear selector, cup holders, auto handbrake, etc. Loads of storage. And that's about it. Really good example. Popular cars, these. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.